Good morning, students. How are you? Join quickly. Very good. Okay. I am also fine. In the previous class, we have discussed about decimal. In this class, we will do the remaining portions of the exercise 8.1. Okay. Remaining portions of the exercise 8.1. Question number 4I. 12 divided by 5. We will convert this improper fraction into the decimal. For writing in decimal notation, the denominator should be 10. The denominator should be 10. Therefore, to make the denominator 10, we multiply both the numerator and the denominator by 2 and we get this is equal to 24 divided by 10 and therefore, the required answer is 2.4. Okay. Next, 4j, we will convert the improper fraction 3 whole 3 by 5. 3 whole 3 by 5 into the decimal, Now, 3 whole 3 by 5 is equal to 3 cross 5 plus 3 divided by 5 and this is equal to 18 divided by 5. Now, for writing decimal notation, the denominator should be 10. Therefore, to make the denominator 10, we multiply both the numerator and the denominator by 2 and we get 36 divided by 10. Therefore, the required answer is 3.6. Okay. Up to this portion, any problem, students? Okay, very good. Then question number 6. Express the following as semi using decimals. That is, we will convert the unit millimeter into centimeter. Okay. First question 6c. We all know that 1 semi is equal to 10 mimi. That is 10 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter. Now, we apply the unitary method. Therefore, 1 millimeter is equal to 1 divided by 10 semi. Therefore, 116 mimi is equal to 116 divided by 10 semi and therefore, the required answer is 11.6 semi. Clear? Next question is 6d, 4 semi to mimi. We will convert this into the unit centimeter. Okay? We will convert this into the unit centimeter. 6d, 4 semi to mimi is equal to 4 cross 10 plus 2 mimi. Since 1 semi is equal to 10 mimi. Therefore, 4 semi is equal to 4 cross 10 mimi and plus 2 mimi. Therefore, this is equal to 42 mimi. Therefore, this is equal to 42 divided by 10 semi. This is equal to 4.2 semi. Clear? Up to this portion, any problem? Next. Okay. Next question is 4E, 162 mimi. Sorry, 6E. 6E, 162 mimi. We all know that 10 mimi is equal to 1 semi. Therefore, 1 millimeter is equal to 1 divided by 10 semi. Therefore, 162 mimi is equal to 162 divided by 10 semi, and this is equal to 16.2 semi. Clear? Next, question number 5. Write the following decimals as fractions and reduce the fractions to lowest form. Binayak, page 168. Binayak, page 168, exercise 8.1. Okay. Next question number 5. Write the following decimals as fractions and reduce the fractions to lowest form. First question 5A. If we convert this decimal number into the fraction, we get 6 divided by 10. Now, we will convert this fraction into a simplest form. Since HCF of 6 and 10 is 2, therefore, to get the simplest form, we divide both the numerator and the denominator by 2, and we get this is equal to 3 divided by 5. Therefore, the simplest form of the fraction 6 divided by 10 is 3 by 5. Clear? Next question is 2.5. Question number 5B. Fractions and decimals are in your syllabus for PT2. Saptora, fractions and decimals are in your syllabus for PT2. Okay. Next question 5B. If we convert this decimal number into the fraction, we get 25 divided by 10. Now, clearly the HCF of 25 and 10 is 5. Therefore, to get the simplest form, we divide both the numerator and the denominator by 5, and we get this is equal to 5 by 2. Therefore, the simplest form is 5 by 2. Okay. Next question 5E. 5E. Now tell me what's the value of 13.7? Can anybody answer this? What's the value of 13.7? This is equal to 137 divided by 10. And since the numerator and the denominator have no common factor except 1, this is the simplest form. This is the simplest form. Okay. Next question is question number 7. Between which two whole numbers on the number line are the given numbers lie? Which of these whole numbers is nearer the number? Now tell me, between which two whole numbers the number 0.8 lie? Question 7a. Clearly, the number 0.8 lies between 0 and 8 and 0 and 1, and 1 minus 0.8 is equal to 0.2 and 0.8 minus 0 is equal to 0.8. Since 0.2 is less than 0.8, the number 0.8 is nearer to the number 1, isn't it? Next, question 9.1, 7e, 9.1. The number 9.1 lies between 9 and 10. Also, 10 minus 9.1 is equal to 0.9 and 9.1 minus 9 is equal to 0.1. Clearly, 0.1 is less than 0.9. Therefore, the number 9.1 is closer to the number 9. Clear? Up to this portion, any problem, students? Next, question number 10a. The length of Ramesh's notebook is 9 semi 5 mm. Then what will be its length in semi? Okay, question 10a. The length of Ramesh's book is 9 semi 5 mm, and this is equal to 9 cross 10 plus 5 mm. Since 1 semi is equal to 10 mm, therefore 9 semi is equal to 9 cross 10 mm, and therefore this is equal to 95 mm. Now we know that to convert the unit mm into the unit centimeter, we divide it by 10 and we get 95 divided by 10 semi, and this is equal to 9.5 semi. Clear? In the next drill, I will give the math project. Okay. In the next class, we will do the another chapter.